Look upon her niece. Look at her. She is so beautiful in her new outfit and her new shoes. I want to show her good, but she up and about. I'm going to take some pictures and we'll try to include them. I don't know if you can see me, but we are going on the road and remember say we're supposed to go down to RGD, but we never go. So we are go this morning and then we might just go out to mommy. Alright. I might just go out and mommy go visit the beach. I don't care beach clothes, but we have to find something down there for wear. So we are left now because I think it's soon 10 o'clock and Iris soon want to sleep, so I don't want to start them up herself before we left. I know say when she in the taxi she won't them up herself. So yeah, me go left now. Yeah, oh no get to see me. What is that, Josh? And show them my feet. You know what I'm saying? No. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm bougie bourgeois. I'm bougie bourgeois. Anyways, soon come where I left now.
Promotion ends December 31st. Conditions apply. Authorized under Section 50.3 of the Betting Gift and Lotteries Act. Yes, I am. This is Warrior King. You're listening to The Edge. 105.3.
I already asleep, but I accidentally lick up her hand. Not too hard. She just bounced by the grill and she wake up. But I get one number, so I am waiting patiently. But I make up my mind if I go to mommy yet, because if I go there, I don't want to carry something for she eat. But it look hard fit. Walk go up a juicy beef or sitting. Yeah, there's someone them. No, we soon go inside. Soon go inside, okay? How pretty my baby is. Nah, kiss him now, lip gloss, yo. So yeah, I don't know. I have to see how I feel when I left here. Because normally them have two little chair. Not even that I see. Not even that I see the two little chair them. And tell me why I say me too exhausted for carry Ira from we don't got the bus stop on for RGD. So I said to the taxi man, I say you can lift me for RGD. But they already pay me $200 for my fare. What is? So I said, well, I figure $100 extra. The man said $200 extra at $200 for fare, you know. And me if you tell me if it turn off not even 1 minute, $200 the same as the fare. But just give me now. But just give me not even say a word, cause I saw it go. I feel them. But tell mommy all the while, let's when you have your own business, you operate your own business, you set your price, people have to take it or left it. So it's either I'm gonna pay the man $200 or walk my foot. I never did I walk my foot, so I'm gonna pay the $200. But yeah, we reach. So the St. Anne's Bay branch at RGD. So on the know, I already telling you, I just already daddy particulars we get put on the birth certificate. So nobody people not up here, I hope me get through quick. And as me say, me see how I feel. Me want to go for juice, go buy a patty and go to my workplace. I'm not sure yet, I'm not sure, but we know we see. I also want to try to collect the government money today, but I can't do it while I have Ira by myself because I need to go collect fare, and from when she tell me she have to get ticket and wait, and I really not go in a one place just in a and she go want up and down, I have to go run her down. So if I go to mommy, when time we come back, I just, you know, mommy can keep her occupied and me too. Both are we easier and then we try to pick up the money. So we know we see as the day goes. Soon come again. Alright, get the birth certificate. Make sure check it in the because them think they might make a mistake for my baby something. When they come in here for do the application for other daddy name and stuff. Me I look where me I go. See your fast. Let me not remember. Oh yes. Them spell our middle name wrong. So I just look funny to make sure say everything alright. But me I go to one food place over there to go see if them take card. If them not take card, I can't go back to ATM and come back up here. So me soon in a little bit. I look where me I go as the man say.
Well, I told one them that you know say, and I'm bringing that to this man say, and then see Chan come along and then they are from overnight and sleep in the hotel. And you know this day. And I'm putting the money up in the for them in their hotel.
But they promise we are go out and mommy know. I don't know why the bump just in my face. I said, see me out. Alright, so I see the change of scenery. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can because what if I breeze a blow. But I'm on the way. I walk around with mommy there. But it's stopping at one supermarket them TSO. If you're familiar with St. Anne's, you know TSO where them. And then we can put on Eric. Because the road is not busy, you know. And God know me full of bag and pan. Well, and then I try to switch on. No, why you have to drop? Okay, back again. So we're going to one supermarket named TSO. Them sell like pizza sub, chicken tender sandwich. I'm gonna go buy rotisserie for me and mommy. I'm gonna buy, you see Ira eat something. I say I'm gonna go buy bread with it, but I never really want a bread, so I'm gonna buy one something named butter bread. I'm gonna show you. If you never tried that something there, yeah, miss out it nice. I'm gonna buy one little drink because the money done. But I will drink water. So we basically reach. Oh, no, no, down here already. Because I can't down here already. When I come to beach down here. Yeah. So. Oh, tired. When we reach. But pick up because I'm tired, bro. One thing as I reach, you start acting like the place of fear. Here's your juice. Here. I'm tired, bad. I'm gonna take this. Thank you. Most of them know how down you look already. But mini tour in case I have any new subscribers. Mini tour. I show you out the door. As I say, Ari, please no. No. She asked for her juice, you know. I look like she nobody wants you. See your clothes for you? Turn around and say, hey. Mommy not in here, you know. So she go come. Okay, see her there. See grandma there, Ari. See her there out the door. Come. I say, I remember down here, you know. Your granny call you. As she reach out the door, they say, here, grandma. Watch ya. Big she want go to the door, can't pull the door. As mommy, you know, say, as I reach out the road and start grandma, like you remember down here. As she reach out, they say, she grandma.
Open.
Yeah, but open. I don't want to put the car here. Watch ya. Bad so bad, me go eat my something. I'm hungry. I'm gonna take off my shoes and I carry change of clothes for iron. Come here, sweat. See the butter bread I'm in a show. Oh, I drink some I buy. I remember one time when I did see them have carbon dioxide in this antique when I go there. See the butter bread there? I'm not supposed to know it. I like $100 feet. Nice. Worse if I go put it in a microwave. And see the rotisserie, yeah? Buy mild for me, because I know I really want, even though the mild still kind of spicy and spicy for mommy. But you know where you know say I really not afraid of pepper? You see all the pepper sauce, just see if I buy the regular one for Ari, the non-spicy one she don't want it. Yeah, so I get a Thai for myself and get a spicy breast for mommy with a little butter bread, and I'm hungry so I soon come again. You see, Irene? I nearly don't eat no. I couldn't even wait for mama. I'm hungry bad. But me I show you say Irene don't eat no. Don't afraid of the chicken. I don't know say with the rotisserie the mild still have some spice to it. I'm sorry if not give her the skin part. They don't say this most of the spice there, but yeah, I couldn't wait for mama. I'm hungry. I'm trying bread done. Alright, now piece of mommy bread now. The pot of pepper area. Okay. What? You want your juice? Put your teeth piece of mommy bread. When I leave me alone, they don't eat from morning. And at 12:30. When I eat from morning, for true, believe me. But yes. Pop off the pocket for air when I have no skin pan. I hope I add up the microwave. What's her? I go down in the chicken. Yeah, your mother daughter. That sound like grandma, no? I'm about to grade it so far. I'm about to start still. So what's it called? Oh, we always got spicy one and bad one. Guys, I don't want to walk good on the beach, but honestly, I'm exhausted. Like, I feel really, really sleepy. I'm vlogging. Yeah, mommy, I tell you, be a long ads in the video, guys. Please make sure you're not skipping the ads. Alright, did you switch my camera? Stop skip the ads, man. Give me the $2. But anyways, I don't want to go down a beach, but I feel too exhausted, man. I want to sleep. I hope Ari will take a nap so I can take a nap. That's why I make sure I come lay down here. So I come lay down and I say, come and lay down and sleep beside mommy. Leave that. It's dangerous. Leave it. I'll go and bite you. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Oh, this guy wants to send me a message. Okay, guys. I'm going to take a nap. Honestly. Yeah, I want to sleep really bad. And at 1:30 now. Mom probably going to leave at like 2:30. So I'm going to see if I really take a nap, man. I'm take one to want to sleep. I have work 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm supposed to reach at work 6 o'clock in the morning. So I know I have to wake up from like 4:45. I don't know if I choose so long I don't work or what, but I feel tired. I feel like I'm not getting any rest. And then like on the day then when I do evening shift, I still not getting no rest because I can't sleep in. Aria wake up early because she think me I go wake up early and left. So Aria wake up like 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock the latest. And once Aria is up, I cannot be sleeping. So I just feel like I'm not getting no rest. I feel tired. Guys, I don't know, yeah. I go take a nap. And I say I want to sleep. I soon come again. If I walk go down a beach, I can't. But I go take a nap right now. Ari. Come here. Come here, mommy. Come lay down beside mama. Ari. You see how they love sauce? Yeah, but me I read no comment. Don't love too much sauce. Come here, pumpkin. Of course, me tell them. Watch ya. Watch ya. Remember that we share a child in common, guys. So, but anyways, the last time him come here, yeah, remember detour a little bit. No, my love child. Last time him come here, me I said to him, say, or I think before him come, I said to mommy, say, me feel comfortable for say, Ari can go like spend the weekend with our daddy now. You know, like him come pick her up Friday and bring her back like Monday or so. That's what I was saying to mommy. And when him come, me tell him, I told him. No, so the man just broke my whole vibes. Ari's gonna mess up my hair. It's fine. But then so the man broke my whole vibes. Through him did there. Yes, pumpkin. I don't know, same drive. So through him know what time me shift over him when I just come for me. I mean I go tell him no and him a watch and me not care. Him come. What is it? What? I love you. Okay. Him come for me. Him can't Ari. Mr. Ari, as me going in the car, I smell doodoo. Mr. Ari, doodoo. I said to him, I say, so I'm looking at her papa, I say she doodoo. I said to him, I say, I already doodoo. Him a skin, looking at my face and a skin off in teeth. I say, why you laugh? I say, I already doodoo. Him a just a skin off in teeth in the answer. So when me reach up, mommy I tell me, say, I said to mommy, say, like me not remember we talk. I say, I change, me just change Ari. And mommy I say, watch your Ari never change. She say, Irie daddy cat Irie come and say, change her for me now. And mommy never changed her because it was Sunday. Mommy did a cut up meat her and in the pot, so she say, naturally her father can change her. The man don't change her, the man carry her down the road with the dude upon her. And I say my vex and my cousin and I say I will never get a diaper rash in her life. Suppose it makes you get a diaper rash all because you feel like you don't want to associate yourself with the voodoo. And I hear that at the voodoo. I said this something just pissed me off. So I said to myself, say, what if you're something? Are you okay? You wanna sleep? Come here, sleep with mommy. Come sleep beside mommy. I wanna sleep in them. It just pissed me off because me I said suppose I didn't want to weekend though. I said, alright, go on with the daddy. Then I what she do? Sit down up there, walla and I do. So I said as much to him and I say, oh, when me there on, I really no want him for change her. Like she get trouble. So they must say, oh, if I did him and her alone, him would have do it. But as long as me did it, she not go allow him. She doesn't allow me to change her either, but I do it because I don't want she to get a rash. I will come down, mommy. So them little things that just, you know, feel like one step forward, two steps back. But hey girl, hey yeah, 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 hey yeah. So yeah, nap. I chat too much, man. Soon come again. Alright, I want to stop in now. You okay? Okay? Right, okay. Guys, wait, I can't see my good I need to go by. Look how Ari do my head. Look how Ari did my head. Okay, this look better. But you can't see me because through the cloud there right there. So this is worse. Me catching up in the banana tree. I do my socks. I can't put on slippers. Banana tree. Guess what? The banana tree could have worked, you know, but okay, wait. Yes, banana tree. Guys, let me tell you about my mother. Now the last clip, me I tell you I want to sleep and me I go sleep, me never go sleep. Because Irie come out. Mommy carry out Irie. So I was like, sure, instead of sleeping, I just go and edit the video, yeah man. Like how I have the time, I just go and edit the video. So mommy come back, so here you know, I think I sleep, April up here sleep, you know. Let me show you how my mother is. Like true in the clip. When no knows a kill me did me a record while I got I mean I record nothing. God have mercy since the phone dropped the damn stop video. But I was saying, true my mother hear me say in the clip, the last clip say I want to sleep. That's why she take Irie and come out, you know. Because when she come back up while I go, here to me now, April I know I sleep. Now if you see all of this over and it feels so weird for just to repeat everything. So she come and she said, April, I think I sleep, because true she hear me say I want to sleep. That's why she take Irie and come out and give me the time for sleep. But true me have the free time, I just tell me I'm going to edit the video, right? So I was just saying how I watch one clip with Rihanna and I'm just ask her about how it's like being a mother for her, and she was saying how becoming a mother increased her appreciation for her own mother because she can't ever recall her mom being sick. And when me start to think about it and like reflect about that too, it's like the same for me. Like I can't ever recall my mom being sick, which is ridiculous. Which is ridiculous, right? Me sit down for one way, call her something here. So something. Which is ridiculous because she's a human being, so she have to get sick, right? But the point of it is that how mothers make things look so seamless. Like them can have 100 problems, they toss them aside to try and make sure say you the child is taken care of. So through them always just show you the best and try to make sure you are right. You can't even recall one time to say, Mommy did sick that time and couldn't take care of me. Like me can't speak for everybody, but like for me, I can't recall that. So me just I said that no because I'm 26. Like from me a child, me can't recall it, and I'm 26 now, and she's still dead for me like that. You understand? So me did just say, damn, I don't want to go over it, but I was just saying how I'm grateful. I'm grateful for that because I know not everybody have that. Not everybody have that. And as some mother say with the whole our pity them. Yeah man, as some mother say with the whole our pity them. That's the way she is. You know? Yeah man, I love and appreciate her. The only thing, I never have like a lovey-dovey chat with like kissy kissy, oggy, love you every minute. I never had that. So like it hard for me like look like she knows like it hard for me come and like hug her up and say love you mommy like let me feel to do that. You know, but she knows. In the same way she showed me love and I know that she loves me, she knows. You know what I say? So I know she'll go watch that video. I appreciate you so much, mommy. You know I have my bad days them, I have my attitude but so to me a human too, you know it go. But yeah, I'm not bother go down on the beach. Can't bother with that. The day is windy that me just show. The two you can't see. See your banana tree a blow. Be careful of my drop, mommy. The day is windy and it get cloudy. And I left mommy I left now because I took tree now. When you see how the sky get grey, I don't want rain catch me out because when rain fall out here so normal so we are start for left. Guys on the cross on the finger and open me see the shrimp man. I say one piece of pepper shrimp till it look bad. And a little girl yeah. Why? Where? More the pepper shrimp till it look bad. Last time I read that the day after, I tell you the same the day after last weekend. I know nothing new. I tell you no, your mommy talk about it. So when I come from Watch, I tell you the same, they carry me at Watch. Or I did on TikTok live I said. But they asked him to carry me at Watch because I was planning on getting a new piercing, but my guy wasn't out there. Guess in the comments and tell me which part of the team I got pierced. I was gonna get a new, I still gonna get it in time at the time. But yeah, I said the pepper shrimp, man. I say me and them the pepper. I love pepper shrimp, you know. And I really do want. So me have to take it out of the shell and suck it off. Suck off most of the pepper and gear. But as me tell you, I really too pretty pepper. It still have a little spice to it, but not no she could manage because she don't really mind pepper as long as it's not too spicy. So yeah, me I go staggle up for left because mommy I go get miserable if she sit down in there wait for me. What me see the pepper shrimp. Yes, it's the ocean. I'm telling about mommy. The woman gone left me. I'm still the right to be a foot. Come, Erico. Who is that? Shrimpy? One of my friend get Eric $500. I don't know people like get Eric money said. And she can't spend money. I go dig because with a fork. They're going to spend it by shrimp right now. Right now. No, mommy, don't eat flowers. Oh, no, Iris say, don't. Everyone misses flowers. I have to stop and pick up. But our grandma put them money. Don't mind if I put it in the Iris savings. That one year I'm going to go in my belly savings. Anytime I cross the road, we show them. Traffic. Anytime I cross the road, shrimpy and the 500 on my belly and shit. See that the bag secured and I already keep up rumpus for fear one. So I have to go like suck off the pepper fight at gear one. The pepper shrimp never did have some pepper. I didn't want to show you, but I could cool my mouth and talk to you. My mouth just not cool, you know what I have to do? I have to buy one cold jelly. I have to drink up the jelly, I will drink some too, and then eat the cold coconut meat. I know some of the coconut meat they put in my mouth. But you don't think of that, I want to tell you no? I want to tell you no, I rename the pepper shrimp. Hey, I can't bother with them bus man because you can't walk on the shoulder of the road, you have to walk in the bush. You have to walk in the bush, you can't walk on the shoulder of the road. And you see me come with my baby furthermore. And you will come back at me. And you don't even blow on, you don't do nothing. But me I tell no, I rename the pepper shrimp and when me done, me give every two and me say no man, me not give you no more. And when me done area watch the shrimp man and little girl jump out of me and I'm one more. Me tell the mother little girl you know. So we're up at the areas, you can see. I look taxi, I say, well I'm going to tell you eat the shrimp and drink the jelly. Be an empty car pass and blow away. Mommy say, I better when we're ready I want to drive, we can't get no drive. We are walk up at the bus stop so. Hopefully we soon get a drive still so. Next stop I will probably try and pick up the free money so. Me still know again. Alright, the girl in a monogram. So I'm sure no, I look for my ID. Don't judge me. I just cover up the number so I don't feel like they're showing or something. But look how I look. Oh. The girl receipts here. The girl collect her government money. Them take $125 out. So I got $19,885. I'm rich now. I'm going to go buy jerk chicken back. I don't worry about my belly. If I want to run the clock on my belly, leave me alone and go. Guys, more record right is but you want party they start playing music. I have to be so careful because I know the copyright come down. But let's stop at a jerk pan, yeah. But I want to tell you a little story. Because when I was pregnant, I couldn't eat nothing, you know. I said I couldn't eat nothing. Everything I eat, I throw it up. I'm saying, I come right to say, I buy one piece of jerk chicken back. I'm say, I eat him, when I eat him, I have to buy one more. It is same place. I'm say, my chest never hurt me. I used to have be heartburn. My chest never hurt me. I never vomit it up. I don't know. The only thing I could keep down my pregnant is a cornmeal porridge. I'm shocked when I eat the chicken back. I may have to eat one more. So, when I come through, I see my vessel. So I say, when I come back down, I have to come by. But he said chicken back down, he said only chicken. But I buy a piece still. Because I can't want to come together for nothing. You want quarter chicken? Oh God. Him said the chicken back down people, the chicken back nice. The chicken back nice. I'm not trick on no. He said Clarina him. I don't feel like you remember me, but he said remember me. Yeah, maybe for true because I say maybe not remember, but maybe remember because I tell them I just sit down right there on the roadside and eat two sitting at the chicken bag. Can't forget and drink one solo apple J. But I remember if I go buy one more solo apple J. I go buy one more. I eat it with one solo apple J. I go buy one more solo apple J. So I say I have to come buy a piece, man. But through the chicken bag, I buy a piece of chicken because I can't just come down here just so. I passed one lady cross the road a while ago. Look how Harry do my head. Yeah? Oh. One lady cross the road with perfume. I said, I look. But told my brother them can't drink my perfume. I don't know if you want to buy none. I drink my perfume them. I the Holy Grace of God I see my Versace. I'm going to take it up and lock it up in the chest drawer because them not drink my Versace. When I say I drink them drink it, I mean I drink them drink it. So how quick it go down. Can't go so.
If you do like a more week time, man.
You know, from Monday, every month from Monday, you're not straight though. You see me one on the hard back, by guys coming down.
Yeah, but I'm going to make one see the chicken. I never buy chicken pan, still always chicken back, but I'm going to see it. My God, as I get the little government money, so. Yeah, but I put the whole heap of pepper because the little girl is going to want some. I really see much people are clean my friend in the belly. I don't know what I do with my lip, I'm lick them dry. I don't know how I feel about dry lips. Oh, I remember up my head. I look at you rub my head and make it not lay down. To miss the head now. Watch that. Yes, we know you know your head. Head, we know. My niece will call me a soon come. Okay guys, I just drink little juice. Mommy have the jerk chicken. So I think I'll close out the video yesterday because we're gonna make our way go up now and things. So only just take care of yourself, one big up on yourself. I love you. Don't skip the ads. If you skip the ads, I still love you, but I love you less. Okay? So yes, later until the next vlog. Bye.